For USB installation via Windows OS, please download the printer driver from our website, www.support.allidasia.com. And follow the instructions to install the printer driver. Do ensure that the USB cable has been plugged in and the connection can be detected on your PC. Once USB cable plug in the printer, it will automatically detect it for installation. We're gonna sort next. It's gonna be installing the driver software, which should be pretty quick. Once installed, we can now start printing. Do ensure that the printer selected is the XP-DT427B. And do check your labels settings first. You can also print directly from PDF or from a label design software.
For more inquiries, please contact our respective offices. Thank you.